I think I'll go and have a quick look round garden, see if there's anything today that we can harvest. Because certain things, if you don't get there in time, something else will have them. So let's go and have a look, see what there is. Well, to start off with, there's another one of those hot lemon drop peppers that's ready, so we'll take that for a start. There is some more. Well, that one's a good size actually, we'll take that one as well. And we'll leave others to grow on because they're a bit small at the moment. And you've always got to keep your eye out for strawberries. Especially when they're really nice big ones like that. But if you wait too long, so obviously the birds took a liking to that one. So I guess we'll feed that one to the chicken. This one, however, looks alright. So let's get that off. There's a couple buried under here. Not quite ready though. So I think we're going to have to leave those a little bit. And again, birds. And that one. So that's 3 that we've lost so far. And it's a shame, because we're getting quite a lot of strawberries off these plants, but it seems like the birds are getting there first. Didn't see that one though, did they? So we'll have that. Right down at the bottom, definitely taking that off. It's under here, not quite ready. I want to leave that down there. If birds haven't spotted it, then they're not likely to. Got one. Are we alright? That one looks alright. I'll take that. And another one. I'll take that as well. And we'll move on. And we've got another good sized cucumber. So I'm going to take that off. And just twist it till it breaks. That's a really nice one, that. There is a couple on there still, but we'll let them grow on a bit. They're not quite as big as that one. And in this greenhouse we've got another pepper. I'll take that. And there's another one just here, not a bad size. So we'll take that one off as well. And again, looks like we've got a few more French beans ready. So we'll get them off. Keep encouraging this plant to put out more flowers. Quite a few kicking around. We'll get off what we can. And there's a nice little bunch just here. Get rid of those. Let that smaller one grow on a little bit. It's brilliant when you can just come into your greenhouse and pick out some veg, knowing that you've grown it yourself as well. So have a good look round this plant. Another one there. Check these lower levels. Yep, there's one. One right at the very bottom that we missed. I do need a bit of lettuce, so I think we'll take a few of these leaves off here. Just take away these outer ones, just as much as I need. And then we can leave all the rest to grow on then. So I think that'll be enough. Nice bunch of lettuce for us. I'm going to need a couple of onions as well. So rather than go out and buy a pack, I'll just pull a couple from here. We'll take this biggish one here. I'll just twist that out. It's a nice sized onion, that one. I'm going to take that one as well. And then we'll move on. And it looks like we've got a few more peas ready. So we'll get them off as well. And it looks like there's quite a lot around this side as well. So let's get them off. Looks like we've got a couple on this container French beans as well. So we'll get some of those off as well. Looks like we've got some raspberries growing as well. So they'll be ready soon enough. And some petit pois peas. Let's have a look, see if these are ready. I'm sure they are. Yep, and petit pois are ready as well. Another tiny strawberry, but I'm taking it. And that one. That's a nice one. And the strawberry tower is doing its job now, which is great. So we'll take a few off of here. There's actually quite a few on this strawberry tower, so we'll get all these before birds see them. And then we'll give it a turn so we get light on all sides of this. So I think we can agree that were a pretty successful walk around that garden. And it's only been a few days since we took an harvest, and then a few days before that. But every time we go round again, we find more things that we can take. But we also find things that we got beat to. I think what we'll do is we'll throw a net over that strawberry bed, because you can't be watching it 24/7. And then when we come to harvest, we know they're all going to be alright. But all in all, a pretty good harvest. So let's just have a quick recap. So that's what we got today. And it looks pretty impressive. We got those hot lemon drop chili peppers. Quite a few nice strawberries. A really good harvest again of alderman peas. Some leaf lettuce, which is always welcome. A couple of nice onions and a good sized cucumber. And not forgetting another harvest of French beans, and now little petit pois. So all in all, a really good little harvest that we've took there. And as time goes on, we're going to get more and more things ready at the same time, including those potato pots that we've done. So if you want to see what else we harvest over the next few weeks, then please just hit that subscribe button, press that notifications bell, and we'll see you on the next update. You all take care.